So you have an accident and you get injured, and you got to call a lawyer to get help. You're injured through someone else's fault. Someone did something they shouldn't have done, or they didn't do something they should have done, and as a result, they didn't act like a reasonable person, and you got hurt. You got to make a phone call to hire a lawyer to help you through this. Now, imagine you call a lawyer from some ad or some bus bench or whatever who's never tried a case or has only tried a handful of cases, and compare that versus you call someone who has had hundreds of trials, who has a reputation, who's had great results, who's on boards of having high results in prior years or within the county, within South Florida. What's that first phone call going to look like? What's it going to sound like? You hire the lawyer who's had hundreds of trials and tons of experience and is known in the community. That conversation is going to sound very different than the person that you call from the bus bench or the other ad or who doesn't have as much experience, and they make that phone call to an insurance company or to the party that what we call the tortfeasor, the wrongdoer. It's a very different thing. So choose your attorney wisely. It's often one of the most, if not the most important decision you can make. Choose wisely. Don't come to regret the lawyer you chose.